Node.js has. So uh, Node.js, first of all, it's a Java runtime. It's a runtime environment. Runtime, and this must not be confused with the programming language or a framework. Second, it runs on V8 engine. V8 engine, and the third one is that it's written in C++. So it's not written in JavaScript. It's written in C++. So first of all, what we will be looking is you'll be looking how to create files and how to run files. So let's write a simple program in JavaScript. Const add equals to 8. All right, just const num equals to an array 2 comma 3 comma 4. And if you open the terminal here, mm, yeah, if you open the terminal here, uh, it's taking a bit of time. Yeah, so node index, we're not writing .js because it's pre-assuming it knows that it's JS file. Yeah, so if we run console.log and right here, what num, and run this again, so getting nothing here. We should be getting console.log. Yeah, so we're getting 2, 3, and 4. We had to save. What we were facing is that we didn't save that, which is why we got nothing here. So remember to save your files every time you work. And what if we work with multiple files? So in this lecture we'll be discussing how to work with multiple files. So if I create a tertiary file, so it's a primary file like secondary .js, and I write module.exports equals to first of all we'll just write module.export equals to num and check, and here we will write const file equals to, we're using the file system. Not really, because we are not using the fs here, we're just importing the primary file, secondary file here. That's a different topic, we'll get to that later, how to use file system in Node. And for this we will be index.js. So if we write console, if we run secondary here as well, then what will happen is that it will print, yeah, it is printing 234, which is because we are console logging here num, and we are exporting it. So first, before it's being imported, the file is being run. Since we are telling that hey, just pick the file for me, so since const will, the file will be picked and stored in const file, it will also run that. And similarly, if you write console.log file, so I think you're getting what is going to happen now. Console.log file secondary, right? Console.log right file. If we just remove this here, now what's going to happen? So it's printing this file because it's console logging, And if we again go and save this, so this is going to be printed twice. Yeah, it's printing twice. So how this works, but if we store it in object, like if we store it in this kind of an object here, num, so what's going to happen now? Bring any else. If you run this, we're getting num of 234. We're getting it as an object. What do we need to do now? It's a value. Property. Object consists of property and value. Num is the property, and the value of num will be printed, which is 2, 3, and 4 now. And now if we again run secondary, yeah, we're getting 2, 3, 4. So this is how it works, and we can just do it like this also. File, it's destructuring, which came up with ECMAScript 6, and part of modern JavaScript. So you can do in this manner as well. So we are getting undefined here. We are getting undefined. The problem persisting is that we have named it A. Remember that we have named this 3. We have named this B and storing the value 3 in it. This is being exported here, and we're also destructuring it and storing in this variable named A and B. So this is like pretty much the reason why we are not getting. So the objects having two properties, num and b. Now if we run do this, we'll get both. So yeah, we're getting both now. So this is how like this exporting of objects or variables properties work in JavaScript. In this case, there were two properties, num and b, which were exported inside an object, which were initially like this const num and b. So that's it.